In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Futuball app not opening. So if Futuball application is not opening, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be because you have the old version of Futuball app. It is recommended that you download the latest version. So for that, what you have to do is simply update the application. Launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at top. Now what you have to do is simply search for Futuball. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for Futuball and tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, if you find the option for update, what you have to do is tap on it. After a while, your application will be updated and your application should start working now. If you already have the latest version, but still if your application is not opening, in that case, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache. For that, what you have to do is launch open app library of your device. Now what you have to do is find the application for Futuball and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info. Now you'll be led to the app info interface. Tap on the option storage and cache. Now you'll be led to the storage interface. You'll be able to find two options over here: clear storage, clear cache. Tap on the option clear cache and the cache of the application will be cleared. After that, your application should start working and it should be opened. But if your application is still not opening, what you can do is simply restart your device. For that, long press on the power button. Now what you have to do is tap on the option restart and your device will be restarted. After that, try opening the application and your problem will be solved. So like this, you'll be able to fix your problem. So that is how you fix Futuball app not opening. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.